In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Gmail. Before we begin, remember that Gmail is built for everyday communication, not massive mailing. It includes safeguards to prevent spam, so the approaches I'll show you work best for small to moderate lists, and you should always stay within Gmail's limits. For quick one-off messages to a small group, the simplest method is to use BCC. Open Gmail and click Compose. In the To field, enter your own email address. Then open BCC and paste all of your recipients' addresses, separated by commas. Write a clear subject, add your message, and click Send. Using BCC keeps everyone's addresses private and avoids long, messy recipient lists. This is ideal for small batches. Think roughly 10 to 50 people. Pushing it much higher can trip spam filters or account limits, so keep it modest and targeted. If you need personalization, Mail Merge in Google Workspace is the next step up. With a Workspace account, Gmail can send individual emails that pull details like first name from a Google Sheets contact list. You compose one message with simple placeholders, and Gmail generates personalized copies for each contact. Some features may require a paid Workspace plan, and there are daily caps, often around 1,500 per day for Mail Merge, plus subject line restrictions. The exact limit depends on your Workspace edition, so plan your send schedule accordingly. When your audience grows or you want more control, consider Gmail-compatible add-ons. Tools such as GMass, Mail Meteor, Gumba Mail, and Mail Suite plug into Gmail's interface, connect to Google Sheets, and add scheduling, batching, and robust personalization. They can help you send to far more people than Gmail's basic approach and automatically pace delivery to avoid hitting daily caps. It's crucial to understand Gmail's limits. Free accounts typically allow about 500 emails per day and around 100 recipients per message. Many Google Workspace editions permit up to 2,000 per day. Everything you send counts toward that daily total, including regular one-to-one emails. Exceeding limits or sending spam-like content repeatedly can trigger temporary sending blocks or even account suspension. To stay safe and effective, only email people who have opted in, keep your content clear and professional, and avoid spammy language or misleading subjects. If you're sending newsletters or frequent campaigns, a dedicated email marketing platform like MailChimp or Sendinblue is usually the better long-term solution. That's it. Choose the method that fits your list size and needs, respect Gmail's limits, and send responsibly.